Okay, so basically what we're doing today is we are replacing the fog lights for LED lights, but when I went to install it, I realized that the housing just looked all scratched off, and it just it looks dated. So what I wanted to do is I wanted to take them out, and I found some paper that I have, this neochrome film that we use on headlights, and that's exactly what I want to do. And when I wrap the light housing on that and get rid of all these dents and scratches that you see on the land. I tried the Blue Magic to buff off and restore the glass, but this is as clean as it gets. So I'm going to show you how to do it with a little bit of heat and apply the paper, and then we're going to put them back, and it's going to look amazing, especially with the amber LED headlights that I just got. Stay tuned. Okay, so you got to say, why do we have to take the fog light housing completely out of the truck and on this 2016 Sequoia? And the reason for that is, in order for you to wrap around this, you have to take it out. And I wanted to show you. See the headlight, the glass is concave, right? So it has this curvature, and it will be almost impossible for you to do this with the housing installed, because you actually need to put the film over the light and apply heat and start getting all the wrinkles out, so you can get the curvature on the film, and it's impossible to do it with the housing installed in the truck. So let's go ahead and get started. You gotta get the film, you gotta have a clean surface, and you gotta get a blow dryer from somebody in your family, your wife. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna peel off the paper, we're gonna put it over it, then we're gonna start applying heat and start getting all the wrinkles out until it's actually a nice smooth surface. I wanted to show you now, because now that it's nighttime, you can compare now the stock fog lights and the new LED amber lights. A day and night stock amber, and from far away it looks super nice. I'll show you again at night. As you can see, the end result, there's if you look closely, it's not perfect. There's a couple kinks that I couldn't get out, one right here, one right here, but overall this is what the light is gonna look like from far away. Now look at this compared to this. You can see a huge difference. Once you put the LED light bulb inside, it's gonna look just amazing. It's gonna shine just it's gonna be unbelievable. So onto the installation. Once you remove the cover, this cover for the 2016 Sequoia has to come through the front. As you can see, it has clips 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this just simply tucked in on the side. As you can see, there's one right here. Let me see. Let me point out. There's one right here that goes inside some shark. It looks like a shark teeth insert, and there's no way in hell that you can actually pry that out. I tried from the inside and from the outside, and eventually I broke it. Eventually, once you get this out, you just need a couple flat screwdrivers, small ones, just to be careful when you're pulling this out. The light itself, the housing for the fog light, has 3 screws, 1, 2, and one right here. 3, they're 10 millimeters.
And that's basically how you gotta take the light out. Then we gotta put this back in and get it in there. Give it a nice and snug in there. And now this is what the lights look like with the neon chrome film. There's a gazillion tutorials out there, do-yourself videos on how to take this plastic housing here. There's basically 2 clips and then 2 screws on the bottom. Then you unplug the light, and once we put in the new light bulb on the inside, all we gotta do is plug in the light, and then you'll be able to see in a little bit. I'll plug in the LED light, and as soon as I get them, you'll see how bright they are. Nighttime. Stock LED with the neon chrome film over the housing. Looks amazing, super bright. Looks really nice. Very happy with them. Hope this helped. Enjoy it.